You're sure looking cute.
Look over here, it's your toe. Look, it's your foot.
He was eating it a second ago. Now he's like, ooh, it's a camera.
We have to get a hidden camera. Look right here. I'm like, I don't care about that
Ollie.
foot. Right here.
You're so cute. It's really blurry. Why is it blurry? Ew, it's creepy.
What did you do?
Oh no.
Don't break the camera.
There.
Oh, right here. Look. Okay. Look over here. Okay, what's this? Remember? Remember we were playing with your foot a second ago? Okay. That's pretty close. Right here.
Is he sitting in a split? No, he's not.
No. There's other legs right here.
That's your foot. You're getting hungry. Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. You might choke yourself.
What's this? He's like, I don't care.
Oh, there we go. Don't eat your foot. Try it again.
What's this? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a foot sandwich. It's a foot sandwich. Eat a foot. What's this? Get it. Oh, get that foot.
Delicious. Delicious. It's really funny. It's amazing. It's like he's taking bites. Is that good? Did you look at me? Can you smile? Can you smile at mommy? Oh,
No,
she's like gonna bite you. I think he's hungry, but he's not mad yet.
Yeah, hold the foot sandwich a little lower. Here you go. Try that. Try that.
Foot sandwich. What's the matter?
So I've had enough of this, you guys. Oh, look at that tasty foot. Look at that tasty foot.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Don't drop the baby. Can you smile at mommy? Can you smile? You just want to eat all your hands and your feet. Say bye-bye. Oh, okay. Okay. So cute. Okay.